Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a scooter story for you, and trust me, it's a doozy. It's about a simple repair gone horribly wrong, leading to some seriously costly damage. Buckle up, because this is a wild ride. So, picture this: a perfectly good scooter, cruising along, doing its thing. Then, bam, something goes wrong. Maybe a flat tire, a wonky brake, or just a general lack of oomph. No big deal, right? Wrong. This scooter's owner, let's call him Alex, decided to tackle the issue himself. He's a bit of a DIY enthusiast, always up for a challenge. Armed with YouTube tutorials and a can-do attitude, Alex dove in. The initial problem seemed straightforward, a minor issue that should have been an easy fix. He started tinkering, tightening bolts, checking wires, and all that jazz. But here's where things started to go south. Alex, bless his heart, got a little overzealous. He was so determined to fix the scooter that he started making, let's just say, creative modifications. He began to introduce some changes that were definitely not in the original plan. Fast forward a few hours, and the scooter was in pieces. Literally, Alex had disassembled pretty much everything. And, to his dismay, he couldn't figure out how to put it back together. The simple repair had spiraled into a full-blown mechanical disaster. The simple fix turned into a monumental task, with parts scattered everywhere. Now, here's where the cost factor kicks in. Alex, realizing he was in way over his head, had to take the scooter to a professional, a real, certified mechanic. And let me tell you, the mechanic's face was a picture when he saw the state of the scooter. It was like looking at a puzzle that someone had exploded. The mechanic explained that the damage was extensive. Alex's creative modifications had caused all sorts of problems. Parts were broken, wires were cut, and everything was out of alignment. The initial repair that should have cost a few bucks had ballooned into a bill that would make your eyes water. We're talking serious money here. The moral of the story? Sometimes, it's best to leave things to the professionals, especially when it comes to complex machinery. What seemed like a simple fix ended up costing Alex a fortune. It's a harsh lesson, but a valuable one. Doing it yourself can save money, sure, but it can also lead to a lot of headaches. So, the scooter is now fully functional, but with the expense. It would have been cheaper to just buy a new one. We've all been there, right? Trying to save a few bucks, only to end up spending way more in the long run. I know I have. This story is a reminder that while DIY is great, knowing your limits is key. Sometimes, it's worth it to bite the bullet and get the pros involved. And in Alex's case, he learned that the hard way. It's all about choosing your battles. And maybe, just maybe, sticking to the things you're actually good at. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more scooter adventures and cautionary tales. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a DIY disaster of your own. Until next time, stay safe and happy scooting.